So I tried to figure that out the other day. It's over 30 years. Long time. I remember when you first did it, the pixels looked like Pong. Over the 32 years, I've seen lots of improvements in TaxWise. I left about 11 years ago. I left for 2 months because I thought there was always something better and shinier and newer out there. I came back because I realized that, one, the TaxWise program is an excellent program. It's simple to use. It interfaces very easily. When there's a problem, you can normally get it fixed very rapidly. And thankfully, there's not a lot of problems. And I found with the difference between the desktop and the TaxWise Online is that a lot of the problems that we had with the desktop have been eliminated because the updates are there and everything else happens automatically. So I don't have to be concerned about reloading my system. 2 years ago, I came to a conference in Houston, the TaxWise, and I met with some of the people from TaxWise, and they said that the future is really online. And because of that, and realizing that they're right, you know, there's no reason to have a desktop anymore today when we can do it online. So I decided 2 years ago with it, and I'm kind of happy that I did. I like that everything's updated automatically, because the worst thing that can happen is that you submit something on the desktop and it gets rejected because you didn't have the right update. So you're doing the work twice. TaxWise Online, you don't have that problem. I do 200 business returns, so I'm very happy that that's finally happened. I find that the online allows me to do what I do best, which is do the taxes. I don't like downloading updates. I don't like doing all the other stuff that happened. And TaxWise definitely works online for that. That same Houston conference 2 years ago, I met TaxWise and Protection Plus. I signed up for both of them. I think that they're wonderful programs. TaxWise is a great idea. One, it puts the information out there that stops the people from calling you, and they feel more secure knowing my return's accepted, my return's been taken care of. Protection Plus, thankfully, I haven't had to use their services yet, but the security blanket of knowing that I have it is definitely something worth having. I only had it for personal. I just today signed up for business also. I enjoy coming to these conferences because you get to put a name to the face that you see on an email. and you get to know who the people are. It works better to know who you're dealing with than while your technical support is excellent. I don't know who they are. You know, you get different people all the time. So I like the idea that we're here with the people that the powers to be. We get to meet each other, they get to know us, and they get to know the kind of business that we do. You know, I would never call anybody with the normal problem. You know, you go through channels and you do everything else. But it's nice to know that if you had an issue, you'd have somebody to reach out to. I think it's important for new people starting out that they use a reputable company that does the things that they're supposed to do. And I have to say that TaxWise has stood up to everything that I've ever thought that they could do. When they announce a new program like the Protection Plus or the TaxWise, it's an excellent program. It's not just, you know, something thrown out there for an endorsement. And then when I use them, I know that I'm going to get good service.